Yes, good morning class. Today we will start exercise 8.3 question number 2. Till now we have completed till question number 1. Okay, let's start. Show that 1048 into, see if it is like this in continuation, so we have to consider in between this into multiply. Okay, 1048 into 1023 into 1042 into 1067 is equal to 1. That means what? This is which type of question? This is, we have to show that, means left hand side is equal to right hand side, this we have to show that. Okay, so first what we will do in this type of question, we will find out the pair of complementary angle. So see, we can find out pair of complementary angle in this 48 and 42. 48 plus 42, how much? 90 degree, right? And 23 and 67, that is equal to 90 degree. That means they are complementary angle. Okay. So what we will do? We will just use that complementary angle and we will try to change in 90 minus theta. We will use that identity. Okay. So I will change this 1042 into 10 cot 90 minus theta, that is 1090 minus theta, that is cot theta, and 1023 and 1067. So I will try to change one of them into cot. Okay, let's do it. See, this 1045 cot 42, 1042 is equal to, I can write it as cot 90 minus 10 90 minus 48 degree. I can write it as 10 as it is, 42 की जगह 90 minus 48 degree I can write, because 90 minus 48 क्या होगा? 42, and they two are complementary. So 1090 minus theta, 1090 minus theta क्या होता है? Cot theta. So 1090 minus theta, theta की जगह पे क्या है? 48. तो cot theta मतलब cot 48 by identity, or you can say that by formula. Okay. Similarly, in this 1023, 1023 degree is equal to 1090 minus 67. I can write it as 90 minus 67, right? Then 1090 minus 67 is equal to cot 67. Cot 67. Okay. Now instead of 1042 degree, I will put cot 48 here, and instead of 1023, I will put cot 67 here. Okay. So this left hand side is equal to 10 48 degree into 10 23 degree into 10 42 degree into 10 67 degree. This is my left hand. Okay. So in left hand side 1048 I will remain it as it is. Then 1023 I will use cot 67 degree. Then 1042 I will write cot 48. Then 1067 I will write it as right. Now what we have to do, बहुत पहले जब हमने रेशियो शुरू किया था, जब हमने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था कि 10 जो है वो कॉट का रेसिप्रोकल होता है, या कॉट जो है वो 10 का रेसिप्रोकल होता है, राइट? कॉट 10 का और 10 कॉट का रेसिप्रोकल होता है. तो अगर मैं कॉट को इस साइड कर दूं तो ये हो जाता है 10 थीटा इंटू कॉट थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. यूजिंग दिस relation I can write tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Means what? दोनों का थीटा सेम होना चाहिए, राइट? तो यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला आई कैन राइट दिस tan 48 into this cot 48 here and cot 67 into tan 67. So tan 48 into cot 48 क्या हो जाएगा 1 according to this identity. Okay, so this will be what 1 into this will be 1. Okay, देखिए cot और tan डिफरेंस है बट एंगल सेम होना चाहिए, एंगल सेम होना चाहिए. tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So cot 67 into tan 67 is equal to 1. Tan 48 into cot 48 is equal to 1. And 1 into 1, 1, which is equal to right hand side. Hence sure. Okay. So what you have to remember? First the identity. First tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, or tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That both the identities and this one by this formula. So you can write here this reason, since tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay, understood? So it is clear from the left hand side and right hand side that they two are equal. Hence true, or hence true. Understood? Okay. Now come on to second question. In the same manner like that, the only difference is there. Here in between multiplication was there. Here minus is there, and in this two there is a multiplication. Again, what we will do? We will find out complementary angles. See, 38, 52, they two are complementary of each other. So what we will do? We will just change one angle of here and one angle of here, one ratio of here in the opposite. One is sin cos or cos sin, right? So suppose from here I will change. Okay, let's start with solution. Cos 38 I will remain it as it is, and I will change this cos 52. Cos 52 को मैं change कर देता हूँ. So it will be cos 52 is equal to cos 52 is equal to what we can write as cos 90 minus 38, right? 52 और 38 एक दूसरे के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. cos 90 minus 38 degree I can write it as, and then cos 90 minus theta क्या होता है sin theta. So sin 38 cos 90 minus theta, theta की जगह 38 है, तो cos 90 minus theta क्या होता है sin theta. So sin theta यानी sin 38 डिग्री हो जाएगा. By this give it as 1. So cos 52 can be replaced with sin 38. Okay, now I'll change this sin 52. Okay, so sin 52 is equal to this. We are done by identities. Okay, so you have to remember every time sin cos में चेंज होता है cos sin में. तो हमने यहाँ एडजस्टमेंट क्या किया कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स में, वो भी आपको. अब यहाँ sin 52 है. sin 52 I can write as sin 90 minus 52 degree. So sin 90 minus 52 यानी sin 90 minus theta, what it is equal to cos theta, and that is cos 52 degree. Give it as 2. By identity we are writing this. Then from 1 and 2 in left hand side is equal to cos 38 degree into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. So cos 38 so we will remain it as it is, cos 38 into cos 52 we have find out as sin 38 minus sin 38 will remain as it is, and sin 52 we are changing cos 38. It will be, sorry, here I have done mistake. Sin 52 is equal to sin 90 minus 38. So this is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, that means cos 38. So it will be cos 38 degree. Sorry for that. Okay. Then you can see that sin 38 into cos 38, sin 38 into cos 38. Quantities are same but the signs are different. So we can cut it. So the answer will be 0. That is equal to right answer. Very easy type of question. Only the thing is you have to learn that identities. Okay, so don't forget the to learn the identities. So before going further, just pause the video and write it down. Thank you.